Good day, everyone. So today, I'm going to tell you, first disclosure, I am not an Ayurvedic practitioner. So that means I heard three last presentation. These are very high-level Ayurvedic principle. But I am from nutraceutical perspective, and I have been working some areas how to globalize Ayurveda and how to manage with the local compliance also in a global scenario. So let's go. Second disclaimer is, if I show any signs of particular company or any product, I have no financial connection with this company or product. This is just for science, just to give you some idea how it works. So I have been working with many books in last 7-8 years, and that published by the CRC Press, Taylor and Francis, and Academic Press also. Mostly on the nutraceutical area. If you are interested, so you can go through this book also. So, yeah, different areas. So today this is in press also with Ministry of Ayush and All India Institute of Ayurveda on the integrative medicine model in the neurocognition. This one also in press, ashwagandha. As you know, globally, ashwagandha is very, very in danger condition. So we have been working country-wise through scientifically and other ways also. So this will be a nearly 40 chapters book also. So because although my background in the pharmaceutical industry, but I have been working for last maybe 15, 16 or 17 years in functional food and nutraceutical industry. So you know what is food, protein, carbohydrate, fat, sustained growth, functional food, which give you some additional benefit, health benefit also. But when it is come to the nutraceutical, the first time we are using the term, so that prevent or cure the disease. And that should be in the dosage format, like the pharmaceutical product also. And very recently, the another category coming in the global market, that is called medical food. So that should be dispensed through the medical practitioners, and that has to be a very high level support also. The example like one Alzheimer product, one medical food company they developed. So that has very high level of EPA, purified EPA, for the, sorry, not for Alzheimer, but that product for the bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and high depression also. Because you cannot deliver that 92% pure EPA in a 1 gram capsule to the patient in normal way. So that means that medical food coming that way, so they develop the technology to enrich the EPA up to 92% and deliver to the patient. So Fenugreek, that has every capability. We know we are using fenugreek as a spice or food for thousands of years. Fenugreek has capability in the functional food, nutraceutical, and as well as medical food. I will give you a few examples for your. So this is the book I published 1.5 years before, and this is not my word. I got very, very high-level feedback, and that is also published by the CRC Press. That is one of the most authentic recent book, and we show how the traditional knowledge, we can convert it to the modern medicine. You all know about fenugreek. I am not going to repeat. Leguminous plant, India, Egypt, Middle Eastern, traditionally used as a flowering or culinary used. 4,000 years history of fenugreek, abundantly available, generally recognized as safe, we call grass in USA. To launch any product in USA, that has to be a grass status. So that means mostly the toxicity and safety data. And daily consumption limit is 100 to 150 grams. So that is very, very high. So that means if we are using only 100 milligram of the fenugreek, so that is much, much below of the toxicity level. So I think this is, who are in the industry, you can understand. You need a traceability of your product. So that means where it grows, how you harvest, how you process, and how you manufacture the product. So that is we call traceability. So that the raw material, we are using DNA barcoding. So that is absolutely necessary globally. Without this traceability, you cannot launch any product. That is, in process manufacturing, HACCP should be there. And in global scenario, you know, in India, most of the Ayurvedic product manufactured in the Ayush GMP. In the Western world, even the WHO GMP not accepted. And Ayush GMP is the very, very basic. So that's why if we want to globalize, that's why the traditional Chinese medicine shining globally. I heard few lecture also here. So why we are not that level, TCM level? Because millions, billions dollar support from the government to set up all these things. So still, we are using the Ayush GMP also. So this is very important. And finished product, that has to be go through the rigorous clinical trial also. There is a lot of debate about the double-blinded placebo-controlled trial. So it is really, because the natural medicine is combination of the many things. So we cannot control everything in the double-blinded placebo control. But TCM has developed that model also, how to address this issue, and we have to embrace this also. Preclinical, safety, efficacy, safety, clinical level, and that market. And you know recently, the ashwagandha in the global market is very bad because of the safety toxicity issues. Although most of the arguments are invalid argument, and I think not scientifically proved, but I also wrote many rebuttal letters in the different journals also. But simply, definitely we have to prove that ashwagandha not toxic, but these are some sort of anti-India propaganda around the world, because as you know, the TCM global market is decreasing, and there are a good lobby of the pharmaceutical and other also, and they are operating through the Europe also to malign Indian Ayurveda. And we can see Indian Ayurveda, that is the second soft power, global soft power after IT. And that's why they are not happy to India to reach that level also. So simply, as you know, the fenugreek has 4 main active components, that is amino acid, mostly the 4-hydroxyleucine, and that control the glucose control and anti-hyperglycemic, alkaloid, antioxidant and protective, glycoside, anti-inflammatory, and as you know, the there are 2 or 3 glycoside component that has been in the market, global market, not in India. You can see for the free testosterone increase also. And fibers, muscle building, fat reducing, lactation, constipation. The company I am working with in India, it is an amazing success story. They have 101 publications only on Fenugreek. And they have 88 international patent, 88 international patent only on Fenugreek. It's a real commitment to the science also. So this is very simple thing, sugar control, that is the amino acid 4-hydroxyleucine. So the red color means double-blinded placebo-controlled trial already completed, both in India and also in USA and Australia also. So alkaloid, trigonelline, the 2 trials completed, one on the Parkinson disease, and we compared the prescription medicine also, and the organ protective also. Glycoside, testosterone booster, post-exercise recovery, that 2 clinical trial already completed, and the bone and joint health and anti-inflammatory to be done. Saponin, male libido, and testosterone booster, both are completed. A soluble fiber, mainly the galactomannan, body composition, lipid and fat metabolism, blood lipid management, that already completed. Insoluble fiber, digestive health, that prevent the constipation. So most of the area, we have done very high-level double-blinded placebo-controlled trial. And we published in the very high-impact journal also. And based on that, these are the, you can see, I'm not going through the individual trial also. You can see the reference of these all trials. So there are maybe, the clinical trial, maybe more than 50 in this area. So just for example, this product, we used one particular glycoside we called the product is andropic. In addition in India, with FSSI, we registered the product in TGA. As you know, TGA is one of the hardest and stringent regulatory bodies. So we got the Austral number for this product. And we also registered with Health Canada, not under traditional knowledge category. Because in Health Canada, natural product coming under 2 categories. One is the traditional knowledge based, and another is the modern medicine things. So we registered under this modern medicine. We also registered in Malaysia also. You know the Malaysia, the herbal medicine, that is one of the toughest in the world. Because we registered with TGA, so it was easy for us to register in Malaysia. So proven efficacy, safety in 2 independent human trial, and these are very good trial also, 150 plus population. Significantly increased free and bioavailable testosterone. You know, we have after 40, 45, the testosterone level is decreased. Practically the free testosterone is decreased. We have a lot of testosterone, but it is in the bound condition. But for activity, we need free testosterone. And that fraction of Fenugreek, they release the free testosterone from the bound testosterone. And that is not under WADA. That means if any athlete, they took this, take this product, so he or she will not under any drug-induced performance, because it is no effect directly on the testosterone. It just releases the free testosterone. So that's the beauty of this product. And as I said, it's approved in TGA in Australia, Health Canada, and FSSI in India also. The study 1 is a single dose study in India. That is 600 milligram, 7 days washout type of things. And this was the 8-week study in USA. That's a fantastic result. You can see the that bioavailable testosterone, total testosterone, and percents of body fat also. The beauty of this study also, it is not going beyond the physiological level of free testosterone. So that means there is a question. If it is surge very high, there will be a problem. So it is always in the physiological level, that free testosterone. Sugar oil, we launched in a couple of countries. It is not only fenugreek, but fenugreek is the main component. So this is for the sugar control, and that is the 4-hydroxyleucine also. So this is in the market of, including India, couple of countries also. And there are 2 studies also. You can see the study 1 and study 2, and these are the fantastic results. I am not going in detail. This is another product called Fenugreek. We recently launched in India and a couple of countries also. High fiber, low carbs, and high protein. So you cannot imagine, and that's why, this problem for the gym goers, they are looking for high protein. But and these are the natural high protein coming from the peas and couple of sources. But fenugreek is the alternative of this all high protein product. So we debitterized the fenugreek because it's a very bitter, and then increase the protein level also, and that is the around 30 to 35% protein content in this product also. So clinically proven, manage blood sugar level, lower glycemic index, and also improve the gut health. The only fiber in the market is the high protein, as I said, and it is not only high protein, but there are special type of protein or amino acid you can see in this product also. Enhance the nutrient profile of your food beverage and get a great health claims. So these are the trial outcome: significant improvement of glucose intolerance variability, significant reduction of the fasting blood glucose, and significant reduction of the HbA1c also. These are the total outcome, clinical study, gut health. So thank you. I think I am within 3 minutes.